How to find saved reels on Instagram. Now, let's say you have saved one of the reels that you have watched on Instagram. Let's say this one. All you have to do is to tap on these three dots right here and click on save right here. Now you have saved this specific reel, and you can also save this to one of your collection. Let's say this one. Now, if you want to find out where the saved reels are going or located, all you have to do is to tap on your profile icon right here and click on the three lines on the upper corner. Now, once you're here, you will be able to see a section that says save. All you have to do is to tap on that, and you will be able to see every saved contents that you have on Instagram. Now, all you have to do is to tap on all posts right here. Let's say this one, and go to this section that says reels. Now you will be able to see every reels that you have saved on Instagram. So that's how to find saved reels on Instagram. Hope we help.